Students, in my previous video I explained about the dispersion of light through a glass prism. My dear students, the dispersion is not only occurs through the glass prism but also it occurs in the nature. That is, might you have seen the rainbow in the sky? So just after the rain shower, when the sun shines, the tiny water droplets suspended in the air, then we observe the band of 7 colors in opposite to the direction of the sun. That is actually the dispersion of light through the teeny water droplets suspended in the atmosphere. Now, what is the cause of the dispersion of light? So, my dear students, you see that the ray of light of different colors, if you observe here, you might see that violet, indigo, then blue, green, yellow, then orange and red. Actually, the colors are not properly separated, but you can observe here. So this is the band of the 7 colors from violet to red. Now they are deviated with different angles after refraction. This is because the wavelength of the different colors of the light is different. For example, the wavelength of the violet is 400 nanometer and for the red color is 700 nanometer. So in this way, the different light of different colors refract with the different angles. So we observe that they get split after passing through the prism, and we observe the 7 bands of the colors. Now there may be question that it might be the property of the material of the glass from which a prism is formed. So it was verified by the Newton in this experiment that he took the two identical prisms and put them upside down. So, and when he allowed a white ray of light passing through one prism, then it splits into 7 colors. Only 2 colors are shown here. First, that is the red color at least deviation and violet with the most deviation. So here, but there are 7 colors, and this dispersion of light occurred in the first prism. You see that they recombined by the second prism, which is placed upside down, and on the screen Newton observed only a white spot. This is because the ray of light which is split by the first prism recombined by the second prism. And this experiment shows that there is a phenomenon of the dispersion of light occurred through a glass prism, and it is not the nature of the material of the prism. Okay. Similarly, we can do another experiment, but it is not shown in your book. That is that we can take two identical prisms placing side by side parallel to each other, and we allow to pass a thin beam of light from the first prism, which splits into 7 constituent colors. Then we use a slit and allow only particular color of light to pass through the second prism. Then what will be the band of light we obtain on the screen? Is also again the 7 colors? No. Now the particular color which is allowed to pass through the second prism, that is only obtained on the screen as a spot. So that this experiment also shows that there is the dispersion of light through a glass prism, and it is not the nature of the material of the prism. Okay,